Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So the following match eBafana Bafana, they will take on the Black Stars eGhana bafethu. This game will be played in Dobsonville Stadium. Lapho khona iBafana Bafana iyodlala khona imatch yayo yokugcina before they head off to Morocco to play their AFCON tournament. This game will be played in Gauteng in Dobsonville Stadium. So if you live near Dobsonville Stadium, you need to go and buy the tickets. Kickoff of the game will be at 4 o'clock. 16 December bafethu kusasa ningakhohlwa ukuthenga amathikithi. So nayi-ke mina i-lineup yami engayikhetha mase ngithola ithuba yabo isquad engadlalisa seBafana Bafana. To be honest, akusiyona igame le Bafana Bafana ebiyidinga ngaleyo ndlela. Maybe mhlawumbe kube sikwazela ukuthi sithole i-team ethe uqina because yes, i-Black Stars iqinile, but look at the players that were called up to play for le game le abayidlala against iBafana Bafana. Akusibona abadlali ububalindele, akusibona abadlali abama-starters kwisquad se-Black Stars. Most of their players are playing in Europe. Yabo, they didn't come. They didn't come to play this game. Remember, they qualified for a World Cup. Already, they've done a lot for the club. So, Joabeng qualifying, they didn't see the need to come to play this friendly game against iBafana Bafana, because this is a preparation game for iBafana Bafana to go and play in AFCON. Without wasting any time, ngizoqala nje nge-scheme samba fethu. Palini ngaqalisa bani, ngaqalisa uSipho Chain. I know this is a friendly game, but we need abadlali bethu. Sebadinga abadlali bethu babe khona kule game le. Sidinga ama-first team players. Most first team players abe khona kule game ayidlale le game le. Khona sizohamba siyodlala i-AFCON on high spirits, on high hopes ukuthi sokwazi ukuthi siyitop igroup yethu, sokwazi ukuthi sifike kuma knockout rounds, sokwazi ukuthi siwine iAFCON. Ngokwami mina, I think it's best for the team to start the best players. Yabo, Ronwen Williams epalini bafethu, South Africa's #1 at the moment, uyena umjida ozosivimbela against iBlack Stars. Mase uthi kuma-defenders ngaqalisa ama-center back awu-2 okubani okuwumbokazi benosibisi. Umbokazi benosibisi bafethu bane-history eningi kakhulu labajida laba. Ku-Orlando Pirates, the way the defensive pair ebidlala kamnandi. Walimala usibisi waphinde wabuya futhi kwiBafana Bafana, ukwazile ukuthi ayisize iBafana Bafana iqualify kwi-World Cup usibisi benombokazi. So boba-2 okwamanje ngisabathemba lapha as i-defensive pair. Ngiyazi uNgezana uyena mdlali ozoba khona kwi-AFCON ozokwazi ukuthi awaqala ama-games. But-ke awukwazi ukumriska uNgezana kwi-game ekanje. This is a friendly game, so you want to keep uNgezana to be fit for i-AFCON. So igame ekanje ungamqalisa usibisi with umbokazi, ungamriski nje uNgezana, because walimala uzoba senkingeni enkulu, because you need a player like uNgezana kwi-AFCON. Uthol une-strength, uyakwazi ukugquzula kwasani, yabo, usigugula nje umdinga ngempela lapha emuva. And pairing him with umbokazi ngaba i-combination e-right. Even nayo usibisi uyakwazi ukuthi adlale with umbokazi, yabo, they complement each other. Mase ukuthi kuma-wingbacks wami, i-right wingback yami engizoyiqalisa bafethu uMdawu bafethu ngizomqalisa kule game le. Uyadeserve ukuthi ayiqale le game le. Siyadinga ukumbona umjida edlala, but-ke ngikabili ukuqalisa uMdawu because this is a friendly game and uMdawu umunye wabadlali osheshe athinteke, omunye wabadlali osheshe alimali. Mhlambe-ke you can tell me otherwise regarding starting uMdawu. Maybe you can start a player like uThabang Mutuluti, umnikeze i-game time mafethu. But-ke I think for me we need to start our best 11 to see ukuthi mase siyodlala vele kwi-AFCON sizodlala kanjani, ngabe yabo sinayo leyo combination leyo, yabo. Kumele sakhe i-combination right now. Asikwazi ukuyodlala ufinder le kwi-AFCON kwi-tournament enkulu kanje. Kumele sisakhe manje i-scheme, yabo, sihlanganise manje, iqine manje i-lineup yethu. I-first 11 yethu siyibone kahle ukuthi okay, njengoba si-lineup kanje, mase sifika lapha asifuna ukwenza ama-mistake amaningi. So iyona-ke mina i-backline yami le. Mase ukuthi ku-left wing back, I think uModiba for me umjida angimboni anytime soon emhlalisa phansi uSamukelo Kabini. I know there are lots of talks between yena uMdawu, not uMdawu per se, but uModiba with uSamukelo Kabini, yabo. Many may say they prefer Modiba, but for me I think I prefer this guy uSamukelo Kabini. This guy is very strong. He's a center back. He used to play as a center back with TS Galaxy, but la edlala khona eNorway kwi-club adlala kuyona, they play him as a left wing back. They play him as a left back umjida. Uyakwazi ukuthi adrope in asize defense idlale ngama-defenders awu-3. Mase yakhuphuka uMdawu ayiphambili ama-numbers. Do you see ukuthi sizoba stable kanjani ukuba nomdlalo kanje, yabo? So for me, I think iyona back four le esingakwazi usiqale ngayo, yabo, kusasa. Ungangitshela ke wena ngokwakho, how do you feel regarding le defense le? But for me, labajida labo bazokwazi ukuthi basisize. uModiba inkinga yakhe umjida uyakwazi ukuthi aye phambili yabo, he's good when we are going up front, but when we have to go and defend umjida sometimes uyamthola sometimes awumtholi, so it's a risky nyana uqalisa umdlalo njengoModiba yabo. He's good yena, don't get me wrong, Modiba uyadlala ngempela, but mase kuthi lapha number 6 angiloyo ngiyalena le bafisa unyamaza umdlalo kumele udlala number 6 Tebogo Mokoena, South Africa's best player yabo. South Africa's best player, this is our best player. If this guy is injured, we are very very cooked in that midfield. So for me umjida kumele iqala igame. Mase kuthi abadlali abazodlala phambi kwakhe ubani, uTalente Mbatha with uSipho Mbuli. Talente Mbatha benosipho Mbule bafethu. Remember ke uSithole, most people were going to say uSithole kumele ayiqale le game. uSithole uIkram Reyners, not Ikram Reyners per se, but uSithole uLyle Foster mase kuba uShandre Campbell, they are all in Morocco. Base Morocco right now, they didn't travel to South Africa, so bazosuka khona bayele eMorocco ngebaze la eSouth Africa yabo, bathathe nje the shortest route ngebayidlale le friendly match le. So uqalisa uMbatha with uSipho Mbule and uTebogo Mokoena is a good thing. We saw them playing against Rwanda, they were very implementing each other, they were complementing each other bafethu kule midfield. So for me I think I prefer these guys ku midfield, bekwazi ukuthi basibambele isisu, bawusibamba seqini yabo. Mina ngiyabathemba ngokwami. You can tell me otherwise, you can tell me which one do you prefer, but ke kwigame yakusasa I think isona sisu lezi engimele si approach ngaso igame against iGhana. Mase kuthi ke kuma wingers bengamqalisa Elias Mokwana naye, but ke I think uMahawunkota kumele ayiqale le game le yabo, kumele ayiqale uMahawunkota le game le, athi umjida ukuthola yabo leyo nto ngiyamazi vele good kakhulu Nkota, good kakhulu, but ke ngimfuna ekorile kusasa, ngifuna ukubona igoli kusasa. Leyo nto leyo izomenza umjida abe more yabo. Yamazi ukuthi kanjani, but ngifuna ukubona uNkota oshisayo kuyafukhona, ngifuna ukubona uNkota ushama long range yabo, into ekanjalo nje. So ngamqalisa mina as right winger yethu, mase ukuthi ka left winger, do I have to speak about this guy? I don't have to speak about this guy. I think we have to start ubani uOsuna Police as the left winger yebafana bafana kusasa bafethu. Kumele ayiqale igame yakusasa as left winger yethu Osuna Police. Mase kuthi up front ngaqalisa bani uEvidence Makgopa yabo. Evidence Makgopa naye ungomunye womdlali okumele ayiqale igame yakusasa. So iyona ke mina lineup engaline up ngayo lebafethu, 4 at the back yabo. Ngiyayibona iqinile ke defense yethu, mase kuthi esiswini nakhona futhi esiswini siqinile, okubane ukuMokoena, uMbatha, uSipho Mbulu. uMbatha uyakwazi ukudropa deeper osiza uMokoena defend, uyakwazi futhi ukupusha aye forward, abe box to box, akwazi ukufama amabhola lapha. Evidence Makgopa, do I have to speak about Evidence Makgopa? You guys know who Evidence Makgopa is yabo. Iyona ke line up yami le, ungayigxeke yami, ngifuna ukuzwe yakho uthi njani. Awungitshela ma comments, how would you line up for iBafana Bafana against iBlack Stars kusasa?